Hi friends, today I'm going to show you a really yummy Mauritian dish. This is called pumpkin gratin and I'm going to cook this with my lovely Mauritian friend. Here I am at Shirley's house. The house is neatly decorated for Christmas. As you can see, it's a very nice Christmas theme inside the house. Let's go inside and see. It looks like Shirley has done all the preparation. As you can see, everything is set for cooking. Wow! Let's take a quick house tour to see the Christmas decoration. This is Shirley's kitchen and beautiful pantry next to it. And as you can see, the house is beautifully decorated with Christmas colors. Wow, I love this. Everything is nicely color coordinated and a lot of indoor plants too. And I love the table setting. Looks beautiful.
Hi everyone, my name is Shirley. I'm hosting this video from my very dear friend Parvati from her cooking channel Parucooks. Today's video is a very popular Mauritian dish. It's called the pumpkin gratin, and also helping out Parvati on her journey to promote the diversity of Melbourne cuisine from your own home. You'll find the list of ingredients in the description below. Today I'm making a big batch, but you can customize according to how much you want to make. So first of all, we need the pumpkin, some butter, some crushed garlic, some very nice chopped onion, thyme, parsley, plain flour, breadcrumbs, salt to taste, some eggs and some milk.
So here we are. Let's start cooking. What goes in first, Shirley?
So in the heated pan, you would put the butter first until it melts down.
So now it is completely melted down, right?
Yes, so next goes in the garlic.
Why you're adding garlic first?
Just for that to get the flavor infused in that butter.
Then what is the next one?
So next one goes in the onion, followed by the thyme.
It's fresh thyme from your garden?
Yes, freshly cut from my garden, and goes in the pumpkin.
That's quite a lot of pumpkin.
And after that you add the parsley.
Is that from your garden too?
Yes, proudly can say that it's from my garden too.
Okay. So you're going to mix it very well?
Yeah, have a good mix, and then we will just put the lid on.
In the meantime, are you going to make the sauce?
So you beat the eggs in the milk, and then you add the plain flour. Mix it very well until it becomes smooth. And make sure there is no lumps.
Okay, so you're going to check the pumpkin, whether it is cooked. Looks like it's not cooked very well, so probably need a bit more time. So you're going to add some water, right?
Yes, so that would speed up the process of cooking, but it's up to you. This is optional whether you want to add the water or let it cook for longer.
Now you're going to mash it. Mash it into a nice puree. And then what are you going to do next, Shirley?
So then I'll add the mixture of egg, milk and flour to that puree and stir it so that it is nice and smooth.
So while adding milk, you have to be continuously mixing it, right?
Yes, so that the egg doesn't scramble, and we keep stirring until everything is well combined.
Okay. So are you going to add any salt or anything into this at this point?
I like to add the salt just after adding the cheese, because sometimes it can be salty just with the cheese.
Okay. So now we're going to add the grated cheese and combine it very well. Once the cheese is well combined, we're going to check the salt level and see whether we need to add more salt. It looks like it's not salty enough. So we're going to add a little bit more salt. Here goes some salt. You can adjust this according to your taste. Now we're going to transfer this into a baking tray. Right, Shirley?
That's correct. So we are almost done. So once we put everything in that baking tray, we would spread a bit of more cheese and the breadcrumb.
Okay, so you're covering it up with a little bit of grated cheese and then adding the breadcrumbs after this, right?
That's right.
So this is the breadcrumbs. Did you make your own breadcrumbs?
No, this one is store-bought.
Okay. So you have to completely cover it, right?
Yes, so that when it comes out of the oven, you have a very nice, even crust on top.
So it is a crispy crust, right? Now it is ready to go into the oven. The oven is already preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. So now we're going to bake it until the crust becomes golden brown. And it looks like it is ready, Shirley.
There you go, your gratin is ready.
So what do you normally have this with, Shirley?
As shown in this video, you can have the vegetarian option or with roasted chicken, Mauritian style, green salad, and of course the baguette.
Okay.
Bon appetit!
Thank you for cooking with me today, Shirley. So if you like this Mauritian recipe, please try it yourself and let me know your feedback. Also, please share it with your friends too. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye.